Hi everyone, my name is Nishant Krishna and welcome to my YouTube channel Traf Shots. First, let me introduce Traf Shots to you. Through this channel, I am going to tell you very interesting stories about places that you can explore in your next vacation. Today is my first video, and in this video I am going to talk about 3 most mysterious places in India. At number 3 are the door-deprived houses at Shani Shingnapur in Maharashtra.
Located about 300 kilometers from Mumbai is this beautiful village of Shani Shingnapur. It's an epitome of brotherhood and trust. None of the houses, schools and even commercial buildings in this village have a door or even a door frame. Not a single crime has been reported here. For the last 400 to 500 years, there has been no theft. The villagers have undying faith in Lord Shani and believe that the near zero crime rate in the village is all his doing.
Quite a surreal place, isn't it? Now at number 2 are the tale of twins at Kodinni, Kerala.
The extraordinary factor about this otherwise ordinary village in Malappuram, Kerala is the strikingly large number of twin births that it witnesses. Kodinni, or the village of twins as it is now called, holds an eminent place among the mysterious places in India. Once you set foot on this village, you will start seeing doubles of almost everyone. Kodinni is currently home to over 200 pair of twins and 2 sets of triplets. And that's not all. Kodinni's women who are married outside the village also end up having twins or triplets. Despite several studies being conducted, the exact cause of this phenomenon is yet to be ascertained. There is no genetic link identified yet for identical twinning. However, few doctors believe that the reason of this strange phenomenon lies in the chemicals of the water in the area.
For all you genetic experts, I think you should explore this place. Now at number 1 is the Stambheshwar temple in Gujarat.
Around 40 miles from Vadodara, Gujarat, Stambheshwar Mahadev temple, also known as the submerging temple, is one of the most unusual shrines in India. It's one of the incredible places to visit. Every day, this Shiva temple gets submerged in water during high tide hours and again reappears when the tide level comes down. It will be then open for the public. It is believed that doing puja or getting a puja performed at Stambheshwar gives enormous benefits and brings well-beings into one's life. People from across the country come here to watch this amazing sight.
So guys, these were the 3 most interesting stories that I wanted to tell you today. I hope you guys liked it. In case you liked my video, please subscribe and also hit the bell icon over there. Till then, bye bye. Stay safe at home. Thank you.